So we will see some more examples, previous elements and new examples. So guys, I'm really sorry. Okay, so now previously it was music, now dhakir awaj it's coming, so I'm really sorry, I cannot do anything about it. So I have got time today, I have to make videos. I'll try to be louder, and I cannot do anything about it. Okay, so that's it. So let's see some videos. Okay, I have allergy problems also, sorry for them. So even digits should be present at odd places. Okay, so now here all the digits are even digits are 2, 4, 4. Okay, so even digits should be placed at odd positions. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have 5 elements and we have 5 positions. So even digits are 2, 4 and 4. This has to be placed in odd places. So odd places are this: 1 position, 2 position, 3, 4 and 5. So this and this. These 3 positions are our odd positions, odd places, or you can say odd positions, right? So odd places we have to place these 3 digits: 2, 4 and 4. 2, 4 and 4. These 3 places we have to put these 3 places we have to put these numbers. I am losing my concentration, sorry for that. Okay, so now here you can see total 3 elements are present. Among them this 4 is repeated twice, so 2 factorial. Okay, so 2 factorial. So we are done with odd places. Now we have to see the even places. So this and this are even places. So even places, and we have 2 odd numbers, 3 and 5, both are not same, identical. So we will have 2 factorial or 2 anyways. So this is our answer. So now let's see a different type of question. So these are our elements present. So now question is number of numbers less than 40,000. So number of numbers less than 40,000. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 elements are there. So now if we have to say that this number has to be less than this 40,000. Okay, so 1 second. Okay, sorry for interruption. So now maximum it can go less than 40,000 means it can go 3999, yeah, it can go till this. Okay, so up till this we can have our numbers. So 9s are not present, so anyway don't have to think about it. So now what we can place in this first position, we cannot place 4 and 5 because number has to be less than this. It can go maximum till this. So 4 and 5 are excluded. So it can have 2 or 3. These 2 numbers are possible. Since 1 is not present and 0 is also not present in our given set of array, number of elements present. So 0 and 1 not present. 4 and 5 we have to exclude because the number has to be less than 40,000. So we can have to exclude the in the first position we cannot put 4 or 5. So now it's like the previous one only. So 4 factorial, total 4 factorial, and 4 will be repeated twice here. So 2 factorial. So is it the end? Let's think about it. Is it our answer? No, it's not our answer, because see, we have taken 2 cases here. Either it can come with 2, it can start with 2, or it can start with 3. So 2 cases will be there. So our answer is this. So it may look different, but it is actually our previous example type only. So one other way you can, if you are facing some troubles, so previous I didn't tell you this, so you can think it like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is starting with 2. So others are 4 factorial by 2. Okay, so 2 factorial. So this is one case, and another case is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is starting with 3. So another case will be 4 factorial by 2 factorial. So you have to take either this case or this case. So plus of this 2. So 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial plus 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial, which is coming down to as 2 into 4 factorial by 2 factorial, same as this answer. Okay, if it is, I don't know, if it is getting tricky for you, you can use this, okay, this way. Okay, Now let's see this number of numbers less than 50,000. So 50,000 is our current thing now. So the maximum number can go till 49999. So this can be our maximum number. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here either we can put 2 or 3 like previous. Now here we can put 4 also, because the number can be can come up till this. Okay, let me see. Okay, so I thought my video was not recording, sorry. So now a number can be either of this. So let's take one by one case, okay, because if we take all the cases together, because 4 is repeated, we have to check that. So let's say case 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So fix 2 here, okay. So fix 2 here. So now we have 4 places and we have 4 numbers and we have 1 repetitions. So 4 factorial divide by 2 factorial, because this 4 is repeated twice. Same with case 2, when we are putting 3 in this position, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we are putting 3 here. We have 4 places, 4 factorial, again divide by 2 factorial, because 4 will be repeated in these places. Okay. So now case number 3. 4 is placed here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have to check this. So it is 4 factorial. So should I divide anything by this 4 factorial? No, we cannot divide anything, because we have placed this 4 here and we are checking in these positions. So in this position only 1 4 is present and that is not repeated again. So this is our answer. So total answer will be this plus this plus this, whatever it is, either it will go this case or this case, total of this. Let me write it down, it may look problematic. So 4 factorial divide by 4 factorial plus 4 factorial divide by 2 factorial plus 4 factorial. This is our answer. Calculate it, okay. So now let's see a different example. Same example but different question. So number of numbers greater than 50,000. So positions are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here we cannot put this 2, 3, 4 because it is explicitly given greater than 50,000. So we have to put 5 here. So now here all this position you can put anything, okay, anything of this, because we are already putting 5 here. 6, 7 anything is not present, so you have to put 5 here. So now it will be, sorry, I am making 5 factorial. So here 4 factorial divided by 4 is repeated twice, 2 factorial. So this is our answer. So you can find it like this: number of numbers less than 50,000. You can put total is this 5 factorial by 2 factorial. You can find it out like this. Okay, total is this and greater than is this. So less than, so this is total, this is our greater than. If you minus it, it will give you the less than. Okay, so like the total minus odd will give you even. So like this. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Okay, I will do more examples.